Finally, after however many years, I've replaced my keyboard stand, which is this old one, with a new one from Roland, and I'm going to show you that today. But the problem with this one is that the keyboard I have is not that heavy. It's only about 15 kilograms. But of course, with this type of stand, all your weight is put into this bit here because it sort of is a kind of X shape. I don't know the engineering terms involved here, but all the weight goes on this. And whenever it was being used, there's a lot of kind of flex in the stand because I don't think this thing's designed for much more than about 10 kilos or so. So I've now gone with this one, which is the Roland KS10Z. And this thing retails about, you can pick this up for about £90. And it's a little oversized for my keyboard. I'm just using a Complete SE S88 here, but it is massively better to play on because this thing is rated at about 100 kilos. So I could have like 7 or 8 of my keyboards stacked on top of each other here, and it would still be fine with this stand. It's incredibly sturdy. And although, yeah, you do end up with this little bit kind of poking out here because, you know, it's designed for a piano that would be much larger than this, it's absolutely fine. I love it. And I use these little bits here anyway to kind of hang headphones over and stuff like that. So I'll just show you the stand quickly. It's kind of branded on the side here with Roland stuff. It's, you know, I suppose it is quite bold. You know, if you're not into your kind of names being put on the side of your products, then it is quite bold. You might not like that. But it's fully adjustable and really, really easy to fit together. When you get it, all you need to do is just screw this center bit onto the sides with that, and then that's it really. Then adjust to suit, and you can adjust it just by unscrewing these here. Then they just pull out, they're spring loaded, pull out, lift it up, and then it locks in place here. These holes here and these markers to show that it's in the right slot. Do the same, of course, then on the other side, and you're good to go. And height, width-wise, you can adjust the stand here using just this. So you just unscrew this, pull it out, and then you can adjust how wide the stand goes. This is currently set to its narrowest, so even though I'm using an 88-key keyboard, it's set to its narrowest because you've got kind of a reasonable amount in the middle, and it means that I can move it away from my desk here because I don't want my chair knocking this section here, which does come out quite far. And that was the one thing I had a concern about, because I think this comes out about 69 centimeters from the wall. So if you are using it against the wall, you kind of almost think it'd be nice if you could just shave 10 centimeters off that so it doesn't sort of come so proud from the wall. But it's actually not too much of a problem. It's proven not to be a problem so far. So I would highly recommend it. I love it so far. It's just so much nicer to be able to, you know, hammer on the keys like this and not get any movement on the keyboard at all, really, when you're playing. And yeah, you can move it around. It just, honestly, so much more sturdy. So glad. I wish I'd done it ages ago. So I'll put links in the description for the stand anyway. But yeah, highly recommend. That's the Roland KS10Z, he says, looking at the screen next to him to remember the model number. There you go, quick look at my new keyboard stand.